was just the walkie-talkie.
Shut up!
Glad.
No! No! You stupid idiot, dude! Why would you do that? You dumb dude! God! Stupid idiot, dude! Why would you do that? Turn off the light.
Yes, no.
Well, hold on. I'm not seeing any orbs.
Did you see that? Over there. Oh,
Where's You will.
24 cents. Do something to me. I love you. I'm gonna take you away from
what the? Are you guys gonna ready up?
He's ordering food. Jesus Christ! Don't you listen?
Goddamn!
You'd think you'd understand. You'd think you of all people would fucking understand.
What does that mean?
Ah, puta!
He's in the closet.
It got me.
No, me.
I'm not scared of you.
Hey, what did we get? What was the first one?
Dots. Ira, puta, gran mierda que me da. Déjame en paz. ¡Cara de mierda! ¡Abre la puerta!
Jake, did you go into the closet and close the door?
Yeah. I think Marissa and I both did.
Ah,
I don't know who the it was, but whoever closed that bathroom door on me, count your days.
that was Austin.
That was you? ¡Tú me mataste, gran puta! ¿Qué te pasa?
Count your fucking days.
David, mind your fucking business! Shut up! No one's talking to you! Mind your goddamn business! This does not concern you! ¡Tú cállate, hijo de puta! ¿De qué tú hablas? ¡Cállate, pendejo! ¡Cara de mierda! ¡Que te coquen en tu sueño, puto!
Pretty sure I just got called a bitch. David did.
Austin, why would you do that to me, bro? I thought we were friends. Why were you closing doors on me so I die? That's not cool, man.
That's enough hunting for me.
Was the door ever closed?
Huh?
Was the door ever closed?
Uh.
The front door? Oh.
Lucy, don't touch him. Leave him. That was horrible timing. Oh man. Big.
Dude, f this game, dog. F this game, dog. Where are the keys? Did you take the keys?
I don't know where they're at.
Did you touch them though? Did you take them?
Well, yeah, I picked them up, but I don't know where they went. Where did they go?
Bruh.
Hey, we marked one of them off. We just gotta survive a... Hold on, I'm gonna find them.
Oh.
There we go. What the f? What the f?
Do I have them? Did I accidentally take them? I don't think I did. Oh, I did take them. Sorry, dude. Bye. I gotta go. No! Get me out. I'm done. Nope. I'm out. Bye.
Better safe than sorry, for real.
Are you friendly? Kenny?
Oh my god. It's not gonna end well.
No, it's not.
He's 38 years old, guys.
Oh, okay.
Kenny, are
That's
you
very
friendly?
viable information.
Wait, did
Hijo
you
la gran
push for
puta,
it?
¿qué te pasa, cara de mierda? What is wrong with you, man? Don't do that to me.
Oh my gosh. It's gold.
Stop it, that's not nice. Kenny, you see how they treat me? Come on, we gotta be friends. No way! Hijo de gran puta. Kenny is not friendly. He's not friendly.
No, he was
Kenny's
trying to
in-
give you a hug.